Juvenile delinquency has always been a permeating phenomenon in societies from time immemorial. Nigeria is just one example of such societies. To address this issue, criminologists have developed various theoretical perspectives to explain the root causes of juvenile delinquency. Two prominent theories in this area are the early group conflict theory and the labeling theory. The labeling theory believes the labels have a powerful effect on the self-identity and behavior of an individual. Labels depend on what society terms wrong and or right. The theory suggests that when a child does something society sees as bad, like breaking the law, and the police get involved, they may label the child as a delinquent. The child might then start to think of themselves as a bad person, creating a cycle that's hard to break. So, even if they only did something wrong once, the label can stick with them and cause them to do more bad things in the future. On the other hand, the early group conflict theory suggests that people's behavior is influenced by the opinions of others, such as laws and social norms. Now, when a group with different values than the majority clashes with that majority, delinquent behavior can occur. For instance, a gang of teenagers with different values from their adult community can cause conflict and behave in ways perceived as delinquent, such as stealing. The majority have more power and control over what's considered acceptable behavior, and they use the legal system to enforce their values. Take Ade, for example. Ade is a 15-year-old boy from a lower-class family who decided to rebel against the system that was against him by selling marijuana in school. Ade was caught and reported to the police and was suspended from school. Now, even though he was a first-time offender, that label of drug dealer stuck with him and ended up determining his future. Now, these two theories have similarities. These theories emphasize the importance of societal reactions to deviant behavior. These theories play into society's efforts to respond to criminal behavior in terms of prevention and punishment by serving as an explanation for the cause of crime. These theories suggest that deviance is a product of social interactions and interpretations and not inherent in the individual or the behavior. These theories acknowledge the potential negative consequences of societal reactions to deviance. These theories highlight the role of power as social control in shaping deviant behavior, and these theories propose that deviance is a social construct that is shaped by cultural norms and values. Now, these two theories also have ways in which they differ. Early group conflict theory views deviance as a product of power struggles between different groups in society, while labeling theory sees deviance as a result of societal reactions and how those reactions can create or reinforce criminal identities. For early group conflict theory, it focuses on the prevention of deviance by addressing power imbalances between different groups, while labeling theory focuses on preventing the labeling and stigmatization of individuals who have committed deviant acts. The early group conflict theory argues the labeling occurs prior to the commission of deviant acts, while labeling theory argues the labeling occurs after the commission of deviant acts. The early group conflict theory focuses on the conflict between different social groups and the response to the unequal distribution of resources, power, and status, while labeling theory focuses on the labeling and stigmatization of individuals who are considered deviant by society. And last but not the least, the early group conflict theory emphasizes the role of agencies such as the police and the criminal justice system in perpetuating social conflict, while labeling theory emphasizes the role of these agencies in labeling individuals as deviant. In conclusion, both the early group conflict theory and the labeling theory offer valuable perspectives on the causes and consequences of juvenile delinquency in Nigeria. While these theories share similarities, they also differ significantly. To effectively address the issue of juvenile delinquency in Nigeria, it is important to consider the insights from both theories and develop comprehensive strategies for prevention and intervention that address the underlying social, economic, and cultural factors contributing to the problem. Thank you.